everyone, how are you? It's been a while since I posted a video, so I haven't been getting time to post a video, and I just thought that so let me just do it in the moment when I can, when I'm doing my day-to-day activities. So yeah, here it is. Today I'm going to be talking about, is it time to start preparing for your September 2025 exams? Last month you were writing your April 2025 exams, and September is almost here. We are in May, and I've been seeing people coming to my inbox asking, is it now time to prepare? So yeah, I just thought that let me just do a video and explain to you. So this is May, right? And the exams, the longest exams, the ones with the longest syllabuses, they say maybe 250 study hours, the recommended study hours according to I4. So we are in May, and if you are to say that you dedicate 20 hours per week, that is 10 hours during the week, that is if you are going to work, and then 10 hours over the weekend to make it 20, that means you need about 3.5 months, and you do have that time to study and pass the exams. So yeah, you have time to prepare for your September 2025 exams, and good luck. So what do you need to do? Come up with a plan ahead to say, I want to achieve this, set your milestones, and then set up your timetable. If you are a morning person, it's better you do it in the morning. If you're an evening person, just after work. So just plan according to the type of person that you are. And over the weekend, you can even go to the library, because over the weekend, if you do not work over the weekend, you have more time to study. So yeah, the first thing is plan, and then the second thing is look at the syllabus. You know, I'm very much astonished by the number of students who say they don't even go through the syllabus. They just look at the study text. No, go through the syllabus, and then as you go through the study text, you actually realize that there are some parts that are not as important because they are not part of the syllabus, but they've just been added for you to understand it better. So go through the syllabus, make sure that you understand all the concepts in the syllabus. Then the next thing is look at past exam papers. Look at how the examiners have been examining, and then make sure that you understand the examiner, what they really want when they ask questions. Look at the command verbs on the website to see if they say define, what are they saying. And the other thing that's important is try to attend tutorials, but tutorials do not replace the need for your studying. So if you are going to go for tutorials, make sure that you have studied that chapter before the tutorial so that you can understand the tutorial better. I used tutorials for my last exam, and it was very helpful for me. So yeah, tutorials are best, and at Actupas we do offer tutorials. So yeah, it's really important that you prepare for your exams, prepare adequately so that you can pass and you can go for other hobbies, other things that you want to attain in life. Just like me, I've always wanted to ride a bike. So yeah, this is my learner's bike. When I am good at it, I'm going to get a proper bike. This is for learning, and yeah, I'll then just use it for deliveries after, and then I'll get a proper high power bike. But yeah, these are the good things about passing exams, completing exams. You can now go for other things that you want to attain in life. So yes, best wishes in your exams, and don't forget to reach out to Actupas. We can assist you with your studying. We can help you pass your exams, become an actuary as fast as possible. We have traveled the path. We know what you need to do to pass your exams, and having a mentor is just good for you. And have a pleasant study. Enjoy your studies, and best wishes in your exams. Bye.